Welcome back to the Meridian Bail Bonds channel. If you or someone you know has been arrested in Meridian, Idaho, and they've been offered bail, you might be worried about how bail bonds work in Meridian and how much bail is. Well, worry no more. In this video, we'll show you how to calculate your bail bond and get the lowest cost bail bonds in Meridian, Idaho. So, let's dive right in. Before we get into the specifics of obtaining low-cost bail bonds in Meridian, Idaho, let's briefly talk about what bail bonds are and why they matter. When a person/defendant is arrested in Meridian, Idaho, the Ada County Court may set a bail amount, which is a fee the defendant can pay to the court for temporary release from jail pending their court appearances and trial. If the defendant is able to afford bail, the defendant is released from jail, but is required to appear in court on all specified dates. Follow the rules of the court, which means no drugs, no drinking, no fighting, and do not commit more crime while out on bail. The defendant must also abide by the rules our Meridian Bail Bonds Company will have in place in the bail bonds contract. Bail bonds are simply a financial agreement between the court, the defendant, and a bail bondsman. They allow the defendant to secure their release from Ada County Detention Center Jail by paying only a fraction of the total bail amount, ensuring they go to all court appointments while out on bail, or forfeit the bail money spent. This is where finding the lowest cost Meridian bail bond becomes crucial. Here are the following steps that can help you in finding the cheapest online bail bonds in Meridian, Idaho. How much are bail bonds in Meridian, Idaho? While there is no maximum bail bond set in Idaho, there are specific rules as per the Idaho Code 411405, which are in place to avoid any excessive costs or discriminatory practices throughout the bail process. In the state of Idaho, or places like Meridian, bail bonds involve the Ada County Sheriff Department, and the Sheriff's Department charges a $10 fee for each bail bond, even if it was paid by cash. How to calculate your bail bond fees? Meridian bail bond fees are always 10% of the total bail amount, plus an additional payment of up to $10 per bond for a bail fee paid to the sheriff. For example, if you paid the sheriff all cash for your Meridian bail bond and you needed $10,000 to be released from jail, your bail bond would cost a whopping $10,010. But if you use our Meridian Bail Bonds Company, you will only pay 10% of the surety bond. This is called the premium, plus the $10 Ada County Sheriff fee. For example, if you paid to use our bail bonds surety service and your bail bond was $10,000, your bail bond would only cost $1,010. You never know when you or someone you know will get arrested. It's always an inconvenience for everyone, and often, Meridian bail may be unaffordable. That is why Meridian Bail Bonds offer flexible payment plans to ease the financial burden of your bail bond. Find the lowest online bail bonds cost. Now let's talk about the steps you can take to ensure you get the lowest cost bail bonds in Meridian, Idaho. The first and most important step is to contact a Meridian bail bondsman near you. One of the most reputable bail bond companies in your area is, of course, Meridian Bail Bonds. They have the lowest bail bond fees and work with defendants 24 hours per day. Be sure to check their online reviews and ratings to get an idea of their reliability and customer satisfaction. Remember, finding the right bail bondsman is crucial for securing the lowest cost option. Be sure you visit with a highly recommended bail bond company in Meridian, Idaho, like our team at Meridian Bail Bonds. Our contact email is info@meridianbailbonds.com, and you can visit our website at meridianbailbonds.com and use our 24/7 online bail chat and free bail bonds calculator. Consult with Meridian Bail Bondsman. When needing bail to get out of Ada County Jail, ask our bondsman questions regarding the bail process, services our bondsmen provide, and any discounts we might have for union members, lawyers, firefighters, nurses, teachers, and police officers. Don't settle for some unknown bail bonds company in Meridian. Consult with only Meridian Bail Bondsmen, who will help you any time of day or night. You will get the lowest cost bail bond and enjoy their Meridian bail expertise, professionalism, and willingness to assist you. Understand the Ada County legal process. Understanding the Ada County legal process when arrested in Meridian, Idaho is crucial when needing Meridian bail bonds. Ask our bondsmen questions. They will help to educate you on the bail system, court regulations, and your rights. This knowledge will empower you to make better decisions and avoid unnecessary expenses, especially if the defendant skips bail. Take advantage of legal resources available to you, such as online legal guides, government websites, or consultations with legal professionals. Being well-informed can help you navigate the system more efficiently. Please visit meridianbailbonds.com for information about bail and your Eighth Amendment rights. Consider collateral options. In some cases, our Meridian Bail Bond Company may require collateral to secure your bond. Collateral can be in the form of property, vehicles, or other valuable assets. Consider your collateral options carefully and explore alternative solutions to minimize the risk and potential costs associated with collateral. Remember, collateral is an additional security measure for the bail bond company. It will not impact the cost of Meridian bail. It is simply meant to ensure the defendant will go to all Idaho County Court appointments and not skip bail. Be sure to understand the terms of collateral usage and make informed decisions. What happens if the defendant skips bail in Meridian? Skipping bail means that the defendant chose not to go to court. If this happens, the defendant will be issued a bench warrant, and you are now responsible for 100% of the bail payment to the bondsman. If within 90 days, the defendant is arrested and placed back in jail, you will not have to pay the bondsman the full amount of bond. What happens if the defendant doesn't follow the rules of the Idaho County Court, check in with the bondsman, or commits another crime while out on bail in Meridian? If the defendant doesn't abide by court rules or doesn't check in with their Meridian bail bonds agent when told to, or worse, they commit another crime while out on bail, they could be rearrested and put back in jail. If this happens, the original bail is forfeited, and you will have to secure another bail bond for them. This will cost even more money, so it's a good idea to always follow the rules of the court and our bail bonds company. So when you wonder about Meridian bail bonds near me and how bail bonds work in Meridian, Idaho, you'll know how to get the lowest cost bail bonds in Meridian, Idaho. By following these tips, you can save time and money while navigating the Idaho County, Idaho bail bond and legal system. Remember, always consult with Meridian bail bondsmen and seek legal advice when necessary. If you found this Meridian bail bonds video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others in Idaho County who might benefit. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content and visit us at meridianbailbonds.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Meridian bail bonds video.